Hi there. Are you ready to unlock the true power of crystals and take your energy work to the next level? My name is Joey Wargachuk, and I'm so excited to welcome you to the Crystal Healer Level 1 certification. This course is your ultimate guide to understanding how crystals can amplify your life, your home, and even your business. Whether you're a beginner curious about crystal energy or a professional looking to expand your skills, this certification is designed for you. You'll learn everything from the history and structure of crystals to how they connect to chakras to creating crystal grids and gem waters. Plus, you'll get lifetime access to videos, downloadable resources, and tools you can use right away to transform your practice. As a IPHM approved course, you'll also gain the confidence to use crystals professionally with clients, friends, and even in a new, unique way to enhance your career. So, what are you waiting for? Let's explore the magical world of crystal healing together and unlock your full potential. I'll see you in this course.